Meaning of flunkey.
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 Flunkey. Flunkey is a derogatory term for someone who behaves obsequiously or servilely towards those in power, often to gain favor or advantage. It implies a lack of dignity, independence, and self-respect. A flunkey is typically seen as a sycophant or a toady, always seeking approval from their superiors and willing to do their bidding without question. This term is often used to criticize individuals who prioritize personal gain over integrity and principles, as well as those who lack the courage to challenge authority or speak truth to power.